Hey, you guys, in front of me here, I got the new WFCO World Friendship Company. That's what the WF stands for, 8955, which is the 55 amp converter. And this one you can use on lithium applications in RVs as well. So if you're looking for a good converter for your RV and you have upgraded to lithium, this one detects whether it's lead acid or lithium ion batteries automatically and adjusts the charging profile based on the battery's needs. And it provides a convenient, cheaper long-term option that eliminates the hassle of swapping out a whole unit and maximizes your battery's life. So here's the box. Here's a little box. A lot of literature on it. All right. So here's the actual unit itself. And this will replace an 8900 series converter. You'll remove your old one out of your converter, and this just slides right into the bottom. You have your 12 volt wires here, your ground and your positive. So you can see they cover them. They add a little bit of solder to each end to make sure that you get a good contact when you hook them up to your board. So then on this side, you have your AC wires. As you can see, you want to make sure that you are unplugged and your battery disconnected when you work on these, because it can hurt you pretty bad, if not worse. It's very dangerous to work on this if you don't know what you're doing. So if this is more of like just an informational thing, if you need one of these, you definitely should have an RV technician install it. But it's got a fan on it for cooling as well. So remember, sometimes if you hear a fan coming from your converter area, this is inside that little brown or black box, whichever one you have. And the louder this is, usually the more demand is being put on the converter itself. So if you turn on all your lights in your RV and you hear the fan getting louder, that's what that is. I'll post a link down in the description below where you guys can pick one of these up. If you have any questions about converters, I have other videos on here with several 100,000 views. So like the video, share the video, check out the description below for the products that we're gonna list in there. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Safe travels. Thanks for watching.